Does paying off collections improve your credit score? Contrary to what many consumers think, paying off an account that's gone to collections will not improve your score. Negative marks can remain on your credit reports for 7 years, and your score may not improve until the listing is removed. In this video guide, we explain why paying off collections alone doesn't improve your score, and we offer tips on how to potentially remove old debt from your credit report. How does paying off a collection account affect your credit report? If you pay an account in collections in full, its impact doesn't go away immediately. However, there's still good news. The older the information, the less impact it has on your credit score. Although paying off collections may not improve your credit score, there are still a few ways it can benefit you. Paying off collections can help you avoid a debt collection lawsuit for unpaid medical or credit card bills. It can help you dodge interest fees from debt collectors. And it can eventually help you benefit from the new FICO score model, which gives less weight to medical bills and ignores paid accounts in collections entirely. There are 3 ways to remove collections accounts from your credit report. Before you do anything else, order credit reports from the 3 major bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. The first way to remove collections accounts from your report is with a pay for delete letter. This is a written request to have negative marks removed in exchange for your payment. The second way is with a goodwill deletion. Here's what you can include in a goodwill letter: length of time with creditor, details of positive credit history, promise to stay in good standing, and request for a removal. The third way is disputing a collection. If you discover any inaccurate, unfair, or unsubstantiated items on your credit reports, you are entitled to dispute them with the credit bureaus, creditors, or collection agencies. How long do collection accounts normally stay on your report? According to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, negative items reported by your creditors can stay on your credit report for up to 7.5 years. How will collection accounts affect your credit? When a collection is added to your credit report, it can affect your score by as much as 110 points and take your credit score from fair to poor. Know your rights with debt and collections. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act outlines your rights, including the following. A collection agency cannot contact you at work if you have specifically informed them that your employer will not allow you to receive their calls in the workplace. They cannot contact you before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. Debt collection agencies are strictly prohibited from deceiving you. For example, it would be illegal for them to claim that they are a law enforcement agency in order to scare consumers into paying. Having a debt in collections is overwhelming for anyone, but remember that you still have rights. If a debt collection agency violates these rights, you can report them to the Attorney General's office in your state or the Federal Trade Commission. Lexington Law Firm can help you work to remove questionable negative items listed on your credit report. By engaging in credit repair, you may be able to remove negative items from your report that are affecting your credit history. So call us at 1-866-943-6054 for a free credit report consultation.